Hello students, welcome back to our new video. In this video we are going to start with the next unit, that is plants and animals. In that we are going to learn about big sea creatures. So basically big sea creatures includes the animals or the creatures that live into the sea. So we are going to learn about the sea creatures or the sea animals in this unit. So let's get started. So our first animal or the first sea creature is the blue whale. We have heard this name many a times. So the blue whale is the biggest animal on earth known to man on both land and sea. This animal is very huge and is just put in a things in perspective. It is comparable to a Boeing 373 airplanes and it turned along weighs 4 tons. That means this is the biggest creature known to man, and since it's the biggest creature, it weighs more than 373 planes, and just the weight of its tongue is 4 tons. The next one is the fin whale, topping the chart at number 2. That means this is the second one. The first one is the blue whale, and the second one is the fin whale. The fin whale is actually the second largest animal on the planet. It can swim up to the speed to 23 meters per hour, and it has a diet primarily of crustaceans, krills, squid and fish. The next one is the whale shark. Now students, don't get confused between the blue whale, fin whale and the whale shark. These three are different animals. It is a form of whale only. It is a breed of whale, but they have different names. They look different. Whale shark, maxing out a length of roughly 65 feet and whopping of 75,000 pounds. That means its length is roughly 65 feet and it weighs around 75,000 pounds. The whale shark draws a majority of oceanic creatures. That means he eats majority of the oceanic creatures. It is a filter feeder and has the ability to sift through over 1,500 gallons of water in an hour as a part of a feeding ritual. The next one is the sperm whale. The sperm whale can grow up to 80 feet in length, which is essentially an 8-story building that can swim. Unlike other whale species, these whales have teeth, making them the largest toothed animal to roam in the sea. So y'all can see it in the picture. I know there are too many whales, but since they are a form of whale, they come from a whale family, whale breed, whale species. They have different names, they look different, so you all don't need to get confused between all the 4 types of whale which we studied, that is the sperm whale, the blue whale, the fin whale, whale shark. So these are the 4 types of whale. You all don't need to get confused between them. The next one is giant manta rays. Regarded as the world's largest ray species, the giant manta ray's name is self-explanatory. Their larger predicable fins stretch to an unbelievable 30 feet across, which is about 4.5 times wide as Michael Jordan is tall. So this is the world's largest ray species, that is the giant manta rays. You all can see it in the picture. So the next sea creature is lion's mane jelly. This jellyfish have a sting as bad as a lion's bite, but they don't get their name because of that. This massive jellyfish are among the biggest in the world. That means the lion mane jellyfish is the biggest jellyfish in the world. These things have 8 groups of tentacles, which are composed of 70 to 150 strands that can grow up to a terrifying 120 feet in length. The next one is the killer whale. The killer whale, otherwise known as an orca, is one of the biggest and the most powerful predators on the planet. They are an apex predator, which means they are on the top of the food chain, preying on animals like seals and dolphins. So they are known as, the killer whale is known as the apex predator. That means he can eat animals like seals and dolphins. Basking shark. As if shark weren't already scary enough, the basking shark can grow upwards of 40 feet, which also happens to be the size of an school bus. So this is as big as a school bus, known as basking shark. So students, in this video we learned about some of the sea creatures. In the next video we are going to learn some more sea creatures. So I hope you all remember the sea creatures. Thank you.